saying suffer comfort be unity, a friend suffer bent and not just say, oh, Shemuna, ye de brown, and now on this suffer papa some crunchy Ankrah. Won't send me an auntie as ye and ye juma. Ain't ye kaka yam or tran and son yes so. Ebu bone, reable boy, yes, so for some crunchy Ankrah and Yaki can some say. One enema may won't some to one brand may in one. Ya papa some crunchy Ankrah so one also to social media so. One also tinny echoes, one also jana saw demo castle. Home the one near Belcon, Nancy won't to me that. When ni pe be a war, no papa some crunchy Ankrah. Why Jenny Sika every winsome, and as a wet trouble, and as why you be a free some sandy panel, or ma will be a gunner for a broche for near 24 hours. Was raw be you, tea, so we deal be bonia, will be mecca. When a bent so empty as you know, so I say, so papa, so what I saw them work can wait there, and your secret be a won't be a men so many beba. Why sorry, Sunny, I was shy, see and ne. I bet than the Royal House Staple International, first name international. Ne different friend I was so a miensa, so only Royal House Staple International. But when they did can Akolana when you fear Numina said, Ukuna, what then a shas and one kaya and ne may bent or make cow and so I knew ye beer, Papa Sam Cranchanka, and should be one. My own call Papa Sam Cranchanka, and then ye painting so. One more so I what the my entry.
So 20 years ago plus 11 is what, 39. 39 years ago, my mother got married, and she had to wait for 11 years before she could give birth. As I'm doing the math, people are wondering, if 39 years ago, your mother got married, and you have to wait 11 years before he gives birth, so automatically I'm 28 years. No, I'm not talking about me. And the fact that I'm saying my mother, your mother is not only your biological mother. That's why everybody got confused when I said my mother. Because they were looking at me and wondering, but you, I don't know your mother. I've never done anything to your mother. Well, it's not me. You understand? If you are in the church, you call people spiritual mother, physical mother, all of that. My spiritual mother, who is not a human being, but is a God incarnate. So it's in the human form. It's in the human form. She got pregnant after 11 years of praying and waiting for God to finally bless the fruit of the womb. She finally got pregnant too. Gave birth to a beautiful baby girl. First year passed, second year passed, third year passed. People say they want evidence. If I have evidence, that is why I'm bringing certain things up. We are doing our ritual. I haven't said this ritual is about him. We are doing our ritual. Whether it's about him, it's not about him, I don't care. That's you will find out later. But this man, this elder, this leader in your community, because he's an elder, he's a prophet in your community, you have to respect him for that. Like I said last week, I respect him for the office he carries, but I don't respect what he did. 5 years later, after giving birth to this beautiful baby girl, and the sad thing is that you are related to this, my mother. It's not far distance. It's not somebody else. It's not a stranger. You are related to this, my mother. That's why I said, come. My father called you. Come. Let's sit in the shrine of Tvgh. Talk about the matter so that we ensure that this thing don't come public. Because I don't stand to gain anything if this thing is in public. I don't get anything from it. I'm not making anything from it. Come, let's sit down to talk about what you did. I didn't do it all. You did. And today I want to explain. Like I said, we are doing our ritual. Oh, my brother, we are doing our ritual now. This has nothing to do with him. But as I'm praying, I'll mention your name. So, this beautiful little girl was 5 years old. And after Sunday service, they will bring this beautiful girl to your house to come and spend time with your daughter. What's the name? Let me look for them. Baby Na, your daughter, the one that just got married 3 years ago or 2 years ago. They will come and spend time in the house at least. But from nowhere, you started sexually harassing a 5-year-old and molesting a 5-year-old in the house. How can you be molesting a 5-year-old daughter whilst you had your daughter, somebody that has waited 11 years to finally be blessed with the fruit of the womb, you are entrusted with, comes to your house, come to sleep and play with your daughter because they are around the same age, you start molesting this 5-year-old. As if the molestation wasn't enough. This thing went on for another 5 years. What do you see about a 5-year-old that you want to touch a private part? Like, I don't understand. What do you see? I will decode something for you people. The name was changed from something to Royal House Chapel around 2002. That's when you switch the name. Around 2002 is around the same time this incident started happening. Huh? Because you were changing, this one you can say I'm accusing you, it's accusation, I don't know. I'm telling you the downloads that I got in the spirit. Change the name to Royal House. So you needed a royal blood to do your rituals so that you can keep building your Royal House Chapel. So you say, I'm going to Royal House, I'm going to Royal House. You don't know the rituals that was done behind. You were using the blood of a 5-year-old girl to do the rituals. And there was another guy, Jojo. It's another guy, Jojo. So you were taking 5-year-old. Even if he's 6, 7, 8, 9. What do you see? When you go and sleep with a prostitute, God, Jesus will not say anything, will forgive you. Grace abounds. There are people on the street, your church members, you can sleep with them, which you already do. I'm not saying anything. But the choristers, we know. That's why I don't want to bring stories out. You know, since I started talking about people, messages, videos that people are sending about some things that are being done. Let me tell you one sickening thing. So whilst the little girl was coming to Baby Na's room, your daughter's room, you had an image there. Think about it. We are about the image, 2 images. Listen to the audio. This audio is coming from the mouth of the person you defiled from 5 years all the way to 7 years.
Hey. Yes, if I want some kanya so for bentel. Yes, and somewhere I will ya nothing I will go see a ga. Nesro sanka will be jaya so free. A mom, and now said trending soon our pedia. If you sank I'll be pet brand for from. Amen, no so up one. A queen to one, I'm a dancing bro, my girl.